Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga kababayan! Welcome to At Home with Mardy, where we explore the stories behind the leaders who help shape our nation. In this channel, we dive into the life, legacy, and public service of Senator Grace Poe, from her inspiring beginnings as a foundling in Iloilo City to becoming one of the most trusted and independent voices in the Philippine Senate. Who is Grace Poe behind the headlines? What drives her service? And why does her journey continue to inspire millions of Filipinos? Join us as we tell the story of a woman whose life proves that anyone, no matter their beginnings, can rise to lead with purpose, passion, and integrity. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Mary Grace Natividad Sonora Poe Lamanzares, more commonly known as Grace Poe, is a Filipino senator, educator, businesswoman, and philanthropist. She has been serving in the Senate of the Philippines since 2013 and is known for her independent stance and strong advocacy for good governance, media regulation, and public service. Grace Poe was born on September 3, 1968 in Haro, Iloilo City under extraordinary circumstances. As a baby, she was found abandoned in the holy water font of the Haro Metropolitan Cathedral in Iloilo City. The parish priest named her Grace, believing her discovery was a blessing. Despite efforts to locate her biological family, no one came forward to claim her. Initially cared for by the Militar family, Grace was later taken in by Tessie Ledesma Valencia, a family friend of the iconic Filipino actors Fernando Poe Jr. and Susan Roses. The couple, newly married at that time, adopted Grace and raised her as their daughter. Grace's childhood was surrounded by the world of film, frequently visiting movie sets and occasionally appearing in her father's films. However, she chose not to pursue a showbiz career. Instead, she focused on education, attending St. Paul College and Assumption College San Lorenzo for her early schooling. She began her college education at the University of the Philippines, Manila, but later transferred to Boston College in the United States, where she earned a degree in political science in 1991. After college, Poe worked in the U.S. as a preschool teacher and later as a procurement liaison officer at the U.S. Geological Survey. In 2005, following the death of her adopted father, she returned to the Philippines to help manage FPJ Productions and campaign for electoral reforms. Her first government post was a chairperson of the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board, or MTRCB, from 2010 to 2012. Her leadership there gained public attention for being progressive yet balanced in media regulation. In 2013, Poe ran for senator as an independent candidate, aligned with the administration coalition of then-President Benigno Aquino III. She topped the senatorial race with over 20 million votes. Her legislative work focused on child welfare, freedom of information, transportation, and education. She ran for president in 2016 but placed third. Despite challenges to her citizenship and residency, the Supreme Court ruled her eligible to run, confirming her status as a natural-born Filipino citizen. She was re-elected to the Senate in 2019, receiving over 22 million votes, and continues to serve as one of the country's most prominent lawmakers. Grace's personal life is anchored in strong family values. She married Neil Lamanzares, a Filipino-American and U.S. Air Force veteran in 1991. They have 3 children, Brian, Hannah, and Nika. The family spent over a decade living in Fairfax, Virginia before settling back in the Philippines. Grace Poe is known for her calm yet firm demeanor, a love for reading, especially thrillers by David Baldacci, a passion for movies, particularly action and conspiracy films. She also holds a black belt in Taekwondo and enjoys tennis in her spare time. Her life journey from an abandoned infant to a nationally elected official is a remarkable testament to resilience, destiny, and public service. Grace Poe's legacy is not only in laws passed or votes received. It lies in the message she sends to the Filipino people that leadership is about character, not privilege. Her journey continues to inspire foundlings, women, and young Filipinos to rise beyond their circumstances and serve with dignity, compassion, and courage. Thank you very much for watching. And according to a famous quote, no matter who tries to teach you lessons about life, you won't understand it until you go through it on your own. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Junahex Henodiala. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, photocredits2, globalnation.inquirer.net, and inspirational quote credits to lifehack.org.